What's going on, y'all? This is Lou, Quantum Flux, but Carefree Lifestyle Motorcycle Crew. I'm out here with the Venom and my football team. But basically what I'm gonna try to do today, I'm gonna try to change the oil. I know it's not an oil pan, but leave me alone. I'm gonna go up under here, see which piece works, and get this thing, the oil changed. I showed you guys in the last video oil we were changing to, and let's do it now. I've had some issues, and like I explained in the last video, issue was coming from the gas coming through the carb, whatever. This little tube right there, and it's going right there. That thing keep fucking cramping up, man, somehow. So I got it set up now where it's pretty good. These joints do not stick, and they really can't, you really can't see nothing with them. Kind of is what it is right now. But yeah, I'm gonna sit here and get this thing changed and try to show you guys what I'm doing. Okay, y'all, I'm back. Had to get a piece so I could take this shit off. Piece right here to connect it so my bits would fit with the size that I need. Those are my Huskies. That's Apollo. Well, that's Abu right there up front, and that's Apollo back there with the blue eyes. So we're going to try to change this damn oil. I don't know if y'all can see or not, but this is the screw I'm trying to take off right here. Move, man, move. Get out my face. Right here. These dudes gonna be all in my darn face now. Let's see if I can get this Venom off. There we go. Just cracked it. Okay, it seems like it's pretty soft now. So they say this thing ships with like a protective type of oil or something like that. Here's the spring. And here is the filter. So normally with the spring, the filter, I'd want to take some brake fluid and spray this and clean it, but this bike has it's been barely been ridden, so there's really no reason whatsoever to try that or to do that. This thing's brand new. I barely even got a mile on this thing so far. So let's see. So what it looks like in there. Okay. All right. Last little bit's coming out. Let it do its thing. It is hot out here. So this is July 3rd, 2026. It's hot. It is hot here in Hampton, Virginia. Real feel of 115 out here. Yeah, fat boy is struggling. The dogs back there starting to brawl, but they're Huskies and that's what they do. So those are Pitskis. So they're bully pit bulls mixed with Huskies. My neighbor had them. It's weird because they're Huskies tall as crap, and the bully pit small as hell, man. Like small as hell. So I don't know how that they did what they did, but they did it. And they had a decent litter. Some cool dogs. But these two, they're assholes right now. They're constantly mad. I won't let them back in the house. They're in the bottom part of the house because these dudes have destroyed my yard. They have killed my grass in certain areas. All right, so the dogs. I just screwed it back up there, and we're done with this part. Now we just have to pour the oil. So I'm gonna take you guys, take these gloves off. Pop, Abu, get out of there. Okay. So now we're gonna grab the oil. Garage is dirty as hell. Not gonna take y'all up in there. Paulo, say what's up, y'all. Say what's up, y'all. Abu, say what's up. Oh my God, get out. He's all. So Apollo has a thing about jumping on people. That's just what he does. He's been a puppy. He's always been taller of the two. He jumps on people. Okay, so I am back. We're about to replenish the oil. All right. So I have a quart right here. I have Valvoline 4-stroke motorcycle oil. So as you all have seen, we got her running, but she keeps cutting off.